Hey, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're doing boneless country ribs on the Weber kettle. It's gonna be good. I got 3 nice boneless country ribs here. And today I got a treat for myself. I'm gonna be trying out a new shake. So basically right now, all I'm gonna do, take these out right here. Oh, nice and meaty. And a nice amount of fat on them too, that's good. Alright, so we're gonna roll with some Uncle Steve's, the spicier. Never had this before. I'm gonna open it up right now. Give it a try. Wow. Holy moly. I can tell you this is really good. Oh man. It's gonna be great. Alright. So I think this is the 4th or 5th rub I've tried from Uncle Steve. And let me tell you, I haven't been disappointed yet. So right now, we're just going to do a nice generous coating on all sides. And we're going to let this just hang out. We want this nice seasoning to just absorb into the meat as much as possible. But one thing I'm going to be looking for is that nice sweating of the meat. Alright guys, as you can see, it's a beautiful day in New York here. Been raining. But anyway, I'm letting this come up to temp. And I'm going to start adjusting all the vents. But I'm running with Kingsford competition. I threw a couple pieces of cherry in there. This is the slow and sear I got in here. I am using the water tray today. Alright guys, you can see it's starting to sweat nicely, so I'm happy. I'm going to go ahead and put them on. Alright guys, so the rub is stuck, alright? I'm happy. We're up around 165 right now. So I'm going to take them off, throw them in the pan. I'm going to take the biggest one. I'm just going to put a probe right down the middle of it. I'm going to measure the middle. That's it. This time, we're going to put our sauce on. Use your favorite. This was some homemade. Alright, we got a good amount. Basically almost all covered. That's what I wanted. Now we're just going to let this go. Now from here on out, it's up to you what you want to let them go to. It's all personal preference. I'm probably going to pull around 180, 190. I'm still going to want a little bite. I'm going to want a little bite to them. Alright guys. So on my Thermo Pro app, I'm showing 186. I'm happy with that. I'm going to go pull them. Alright guys, so at this point what I'm going to want to do, unwrap them. I'm going to want to pull them out of the sauce, alright? Because I want them to stop cooking at this point as much as possible. And if they're just sitting in that sauce in this tray, they're going to keep cooking. Wow. Look at this. I'll tell you one thing, it smells incredible. They smell super delicious. Oh man, look at that. Oh my God. Oh man. Whew. Wow. Man, I want to eat it right now. Alright, I'm just going to cover it back up with the tin foil. I'm gonna let it rest for about a half hour before we do anything else. All right, a half hour went by. I've been dying to try these. So let's give it a try here. Cuts like butter. Look at that crazy. Nice little smoke ring there. Nice and juicy. Mmm. Oh man. Wow. That is so good. Oh, look at this. That rub is just killer. Mmm. Just melts in your mouth. Wow. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor. Hit that subscribe, that thumbs up. Share this, please. I appreciate the support. You guys have an awesome day.